If you're looking for help fixing your GMC automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive GMC Automobile Repair Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your vehicle. GMC manufactures cars that owners have come to trust. Even trustworthy autos require occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of GMC auto repair from experienced professionals, your local auto helper can help. Overheating engine. A sure sign of overheating is smoke or steam being emitted from underneath the hood. The ignition timing could be set incorrectly and will require adjustment. If, when looking under the hood, you notice that the drive belts appear loose, they need to be tightened or completely replaced. If there is a noticeable pool of fluid underneath the car, this could be a sign of the cylinder head gasket failing. That will be confirmed in the form of billowing smoke being blown from the exhaust system. The temperature gauge on your dashboard will be at its highest reading if this is the case. Ensure that the engine coolant fluid is at the correct level, as there could be a leak in the engine cooling system. Engine not accelerating. Upon acceleration, if there appears to be no increase in speed, check that the air and fuel filters are clean and replace them if necessary. A full replacement of fuel in the tank will ensure that water has not contaminated the mix. The catalytic converter may be congested and will need to be replaced if this is the case. The transmission fluid may have fallen below an adequate level and will need to be topped up. If the level is normal, then professional assistance will be needed to inspect the engine. What you can do about oil leaks. It's essential to deal with an engine oil leak as soon as possible. Here's why. A small leak can turn into a large leak, which can lead to engine failure. Oil leaking onto the ground pollutes the environment. Oil on the ground is a slipping hazard, especially in a garage. As a precaution, you need to know how much oil has leaked out. Check your oil when the vehicle is on a level surface and cold, or let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes after driving it. If you're losing a lot of oil quickly, you must get your car to a mechanic immediately. You may want to have your vehicle towed there if the leak is so bad that you can't drive it safely. Battery. The battery is one of the principal components of a vehicle that is needed to work appropriately. The life expectancy of a battery is around 5 years. The battery comprises lead and highly corrosive acid. A normal problem that occurs with batteries is bad terminals. By applying lubricants on the terminals of the battery, you can keep the battery fit as a fiddle. In case you are not a big fan of maintaining a battery, what you can do is buy a maintenance-free battery, which will work for a very long period without any issues. 1. Inspect battery terminal. 2. Inspecting the connecting wires of the battery. 3. Check the water level. If needed, add distilled water. Be careful. 4. Using the voltmeter, check the battery voltage for the output of 12 volts. The vehicle is not starting. If your vehicle either takes a long effort to start, or the vehicle just won't start by any means, then the most predictable issue can be a dead battery. You need to be very observant to correctly identify and troubleshoot such an issue with your vehicle. If in response to turning your ignition key the vehicle is silent, then the issue is with the battery or connecting terminals for sure. If there is a cranking sound while ignition, then the issue might be with the fuel intake or the spark plug. In any case, you can arrange a tow truck, or if possible can jump start your vehicle using a jump starter kit to safely reach a nearby workshop for further investigation of the issue.